Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about product research. Okay, Amazon UK 2021 product research strategy part 1. Alright, this is really important subject, extremely important for everyone who wants to sell on Amazon. Obviously we need to find the right product to sell, so I have divided this into parts. So part 1. Alright, so most people are focusing on finding unicorns, okay? So we're gonna start off what not to do and why not to do it. What are unicorns? Okay, so unicorns are high demand and high competition products that they sell loads of quantities, products that they sell 25, 30, 50k in revenue per month, and people are focusing their energy trying to find these unicorns that they think they're gonna solve them all the problems. They think they're gonna find this product and they're gonna make 15,000-20,000 pounds a month. You know, it doesn't work like this, but what you're gonna find products that are massive competition, expensive PPC, extremely difficult to rank. So your product is gonna be you're gonna launch the product, you're gonna be on page 7, 9, and to bring your product to page 1, that's where you need to be, on page 1 where the money is, where the sales are made. It's gonna be extremely expensive and difficult, yeah. You're gonna be facing, established sellers. You're gonna be facing factories, and also what's gonna happen, you're gonna be attracting hijackers. Okay, so what are hijackers? I don't know if everybody knows what hijackers are. Hijackers are sellers that they come and they hijack your listing, maybe individuals from China or from other countries, that what they're using is the reviews and the listings of other people to sell their products. So you're gonna have your fantastic listings that you work hard on it, you selected all your keywords, you done all the research, you got all your fantastic pictures, and then someone comes and hijacks your listing. It's a nightmare, and it's someone who comes and sells your, they say they sell your product, they take the buy box from you, so you're not gonna show anymore. And Amazon, what it does, gives the buy box to the person who puts the products the cheapest. Yeah. So normally people from China, even factories, they hijack other listings, and this is happening normally with high demand products. Yeah. So by you focusing your energy looking for unicorns, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get expensive PPC campaigns. It's gonna cost you a lot of money to rank your product, extremely difficult to rank, and you're gonna attract hijackers. Another thing that you're gonna be doing by looking for these unicorns, you're gonna be putting all your eggs in one basket. Okay, so the risk is gonna be enormous. If you only have one product generating money, any problems that can happen that brings your listing down, so your business is gonna stop generating money. Yeah, because only you have one product, you're a unicorn. Yeah. Anybody who sells on Amazon knows that Amazon is a fantastic platform, allow us to sell to millions of people, but also comes with problems. Yeah, and the problems, they can be thousands of problems. They change your image, your barcodes, they're not good anymore. You got delayed in the warehouse one of your shipments, and it might take you a week, 2 weeks to solve the problem. And if you only have one product generating money, what happen? Your income stop. Yeah. So focusing on looking for this unicorn is the wrong strategy, guys. Yeah. Another thing, like I mentioned before, who you're gonna be facing in these categories where the unicorns are. You're gonna be facing your competition is gonna be factories, established sellers with deep pockets, that they're not gonna let you rank. To compete with the factories is almost impossible, you imagine. So it's gonna be the battles of the margins. They can put the price a bit lower than you, and they're gonna rank better. You can't, because you source your product more expensive than obviously a factory. So in order to sleep well, not to worry about hijackers, ranking, low margins, all the struggles that these unicorns they bring, okay? So this is what you need to do. This is what you guys need to do, and this is what we recommend. We're gonna go to the opposite. we're not gonna be looking for unicorns. We're gonna spread the risk. Yeah, we're gonna spread the risk, and we're gonna try to find low profile products. Okay, so what is a low profile product? A low profile product is a product that sells between 5 to 10 units a day. Okay, in this type of categories, you're gonna find less competition, cheaper PPC. So your marketing campaigns are gonna be much cheaper. It's gonna be much easier to rank your product, yeah, or you're gonna be on page 1, position 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. You're gonna establish yourself there with your product, and nobody's gonna move you, yeah. So low profile products, they sell from 5 to 10 units. This product is gonna give you a profit between 300 to 500 pound a month. But what we're gonna do, we're not gonna have just one, we're gonna have 10, 15 products of this, yeah. So these low profile products are much easier to find, yeah, because they'll sell less units per day. But we're not looking just for one, we're looking for around 10 to 15. Each product gives you 300 to 500 pound a month. If you have 10, happy days, yeah. Another advantage of this is that you not only have one product that gives you money, you have 10, yeah. So any problems, Amazon brings you one product down, you have another 9 giving you money, yeah. So stress-free products, yeah, low profile products are stress-free. What do I mean with this? Okay, so no seasonal products, no restricted product, you know, gated categories, products that includes batteries, you know, try to avoid, especially this at the beginning, you know, products with variation. That could be clothing, you know, that you need different sizes, medium, large, extra large, or products that you need strong, soft, things, you know, like different colors. At the beginning, try to avoid them, otherwise your investment is going to be higher, because you need to get all the sizes, you need to get all the colors in order for the product to work. Also avoid difficult products to transport, yeah. So because the weight, or because the size, or because the specification of the product, it could be a product contains gas or alcohol, so it's going to be more difficult to bring it to the UK. So try to avoid that. Make your life easy. Make your life easy. Have your 10, 15 low profile products, yeah, making you money. If for any problem one fails, delays, like I mentioned before, anything can happen. What's going to happen? You're going to have another products making you money, not just one product, yeah. Don't focus in unicorns. Don't focus on having all your eggs in one basket. Spread the risk, yeah. So what we're trying to do here, we're going to build a business base with good fundamentals, yeah, a business base with stress-free, okay, with an income that is going to be generated all the time, so continuous income coming, yeah, a business to last. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and I'll see you next time.